Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Get ready for the dictation. General passage on sports. Speed 100 words per minute. Dictation exercise number 5. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Kabaddi, one of India's oldest indigenous sports, has a history that dates back over 4,000 years. Believed to have originated in ancient India as a form of self-defense and group combat training, it has evolved into a widely played sport across the country. The game requires agility, strength, speed, and mental sharpness, making it both physically demanding and strategically engaging. Traditionally played in rural India, Kabaddi has grown into an internationally recognized sport, with structured rules and organized leagues. It is particularly popular in states such as Maharashtra, Haryana, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, and Bihar, where local tournaments attract large audiences. The sport's simplicity, requiring only an open field and no expensive equipment, has contributed to its widespread popularity, especially in rural areas where access to other sports facilities may be limited. India's dominance in Kabaddi is evident from its track record in international competitions. The country has won every Kabaddi World Cup held so far, both in the men's and women's categories. It has also been a consistent gold medalist in the Asian Games since Kabaddi was introduced in 1990. India's supremacy in the sport stems from its strong grassroots foundation, where young players are trained in traditional styles before advancing to professional levels. The launch of the Pro Kabaddi League, PKL, in 2014 marked a turning point for the sport, giving it a modern, commercial appeal. The league introduced a franchise-based system with teams representing different cities, similar to the Indian Premier League, IPL, in cricket. With corporate sponsorships, live television broadcasts, and star players gaining celebrity status, Kabaddi transformed from a rural pastime into a mainstream sport, attracting millions of viewers worldwide. Beyond professional leagues and international tournaments, Kabaddi plays a crucial role in social and economic development at the grassroots level. In many villages, the sport serves as a unifying force, bringing together communities and providing opportunities for young athletes, especially those from underprivileged backgrounds. The Indian government, through initiatives like Khelo India and state-level sports programs, has been actively promoting Kabaddi by providing infrastructure, coaching, and financial support to aspiring players. The growth of women's Kabaddi has also been significant, with more female athletes gaining recognition and participating in global competitions. The Women's Kabaddi Challenge, launched as a part of PKL, further amplified the reach of women's Kabaddi, inspiring young girls to take up the sport professionally. This inclusivity has helped Kabaddi become not just a game but a medium of empowerment and social change. Despite its remarkable progress, Kabaddi still faces challenges in expanding its global reach. While it has gained popularity in countries like Iran, South Korea, and Bangladesh, it is yet to achieve the status of a truly international sport like football or cricket. Efforts are being made to introduce Kabaddi in the Olympics, which could significantly boost its global presence. Additionally, enhancing player welfare, increasing sponsorship deals, and improving training facilities will be essential for the sport's sustained growth. With continued government support, corporate investments, and rising fan engagement, Kabaddi has the potential to reach new heights and secure its place as one of India's most cherished and internationally recognized sports. As India continues to nurture its traditional game, the future of Kabaddi looks brighter than ever. Stop. Thank you.